In this video, I'll be sharing with you my favorite Etsy keyword research methods. I believe that these tools are going to help you compile the best possible master keyword list so that you can later use to optimize your Etsy shop and products. So I'm also going to be leaving a file in the resources below with all of the links to the tools for your convenience. So let's go ahead and check them out. The first tool is, of course, Etsy Marketplace. You've already seen a little bit on how to use Etsy to get keyword ideas during the product research videos, and we're going to be utilizing that as well, the search box and all of the keyword suggestions that Etsy gives us, as well as analyzing our competitors and our top competitors listings because they're doing a lot of things well, and if they're showing up in the top of the search results is because they're most likely have really well optimized listings. So we're definitely going to be taking a look at that. And we're also going to be using, of course, Marmalead. That, in my opinion, is the best tool for you to compile a list very easily. So for you to have access to that list and you don't have to manually create one because you can easily download it. And of course, as we've seen it before, it gives you data straight from Etsy. And that's also similar to eRank. So eRank is a tool specifically for Etsy businesses, and it's great because it also pulls data straight from Etsy and it gives you wonderful keyword suggestions. There's the free version and the paid version, and the free version is more than enough for you to get wonderful keyword suggestions. So we're definitely going to be using that. Next, we have the AMZ Suggestion Expander. And this is a Chrome extension that you can use along with Amazon.com. And when you start searching for something, for a keyword, it starts giving all kinds of related keyword suggestions. So it's a really wonderful tool because, as we've already talked about it before, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform today. So it's a wonderful source of what customers, especially within the same country that you're going to be serving with your Etsy shop as well, what they're actually searching for and the top results. And then next, there's Keywords Everywhere, which is also a Chrome extension, and we're going to be using that alongside Google. And I'm going to be showing all of the different suggestions that it will give you, as well as all of the data that comes with it. And similarly, there's Keyword Surfer. It's another Google Chrome extension that we're also going to be using alongside Google. And you can have both of those installed at the same time to get very similar results for the same search. So I'll show you how to do that. And then you can also use Pinterest for all of the reasons that we've already mentioned here in the course before. I won't be using Pinterest today during our tutorial, especially because you've already seen how to use Pinterest as a research tool for product ideas, the same way you can use it to actually get keyword ideas. So it's definitely a wonderful tool. And then I really wanted to mention Merch Informer. And this tool is specifically for merch products. So if you're doing any print on demand or any type of merchandise products, this is definitely a tool that you want to be checking out. I won't be using that today with our example, but I didn't want to forget to mention that to you guys because it's a really wonderful tool if that applies to your type of product. And of course, you don't need to be using all of these different tools when doing your keyword research. I just wanted to make sure to give you all of these different suggestions so you have options. You might just end up sticking to one or two that are your favorites, but I would highly recommend that you try at least two so that you can validate the results that you're getting. So I hope this got you excited. I'm excited to show you guys how to dive in and actually start collecting this master keyword list. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those below, and let's go ahead and get to the next video.